What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. Here we do food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, if you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. If you have any ideas or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. And without further ado, let's get to the menu. Okay, family, so for this delicious garlic butter turkey, you're gonna need a turkey, of course, 3 onions, 2 lemons, salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. This is gonna be a delicious bird, and that's the word. And without further ado, let's get to creating this delicious bird, family. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take 2 sticks of butter, and we're going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of garlic powder. Just like so. And we're going to go ahead and melt it down to this, family. Looks good. Give me a like. Alright, you guys, so now we're going to go ahead and switch over to our turkey. Now you do want to rinse your turkey off very good. After you rinse your turkey, we're going to go ahead and take a towel and we're going to damp it dry. Just like you see here. Go ahead and get the whole bird. Don't be scared. Alright, we're going to go ahead and fold the wings in. Now there's going to have this tail right here. It's optional for you, but I'm going to go ahead and cut mine off. Okay. Oh, and one more thing. These innards is going to come inside the turkey. Do not discard them. You can go ahead and put it in your dressing or put it in your greens. Do whatever you wish. Alright? Alright. Let's go ahead and take our turkey pan. And then we're going to go ahead and add in our vegetables. We're adding in our vegetables to go ahead and bring up the flavor while the turkey is cooking. Alright. And at this time, we're going to go ahead and add in the star of this show, our turkey. Now we're going to go ahead and paint our turkey with our garlic butter. That is it. And who doesn't have fun painting their turkey? We're going to go ahead and get that real nice. So go ahead and drench it with your garlic butter, you guys. And for any beginners, this is it. Very easy. Now at this time, we're going to go ahead and add in our salt and our black pepper. You want to make sure you add in your simple seasonings. Basic. Now I'm going to go ahead and inject my turkey with the garlic butter as well, so that the flavor goes throughout the whole bird. Yes, give me a like. Alright, and at this moment now, family, we're going to go ahead and put our lemons inside of our turkey, just to give it a little bit more flavor. You can add apples or oranges, whatever you wish. Have fun with it. And at this moment, we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees, and we're going to allow this to cook for about 3 hours, or until the thick part of your turkey, like the breast or the leg, is at 165 degrees. Until then, quick facts. What are 5 facts about turkeys? Wild turkeys can fly. Poop tells the gender apart. Wild turkeys can get up trees. Male turkeys' heads change color. Turkeys use stones for digestion. Pretty cool. You learn something new every day. Yes, and this is what we're looking like, family, after 3 hours, or until your thick part of your turkey is at 165 degrees. All right, let's go ahead and cut into this, family. Yes, family. Crunchy. Okay, let's see what the inside is looking like, family. Juicy. Thank you so much for being with me today, family. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 1,000 Ddins, into our next food adventure. Peace.